Aloha! Welcome to If the Shoe Fits in Maui, Hawaii. I'm Teri Edmonds, owner and cobbler. I've been in the shoe business for 17 years and I very much love what I do. I specialize in specialty footwear and shoe repair. I am the island's only cobbler, so if you have any leather goods, handbags, belts, equestrian wear, give us a call. Just hit the button below and that'll link you right to our website with all of our contact information. I love receiving emails and responding to questions that you have. In this fabulous store, if you haven't been here yet, this is our new location and I carry all kinds of fun things. I have a wedding shoe department in the far back there and sell beautiful bridal and formal footwear. I specialize not only in tall heels, but in low, comfortable heels in case you're not into the high heels like myself. I also carry a lovely assortment of some classics that I see. A lot of the gals that come in for shoe repair, maybe need a neutral shoe, so I do carry some fine items like this. Also for the ladies, while I'm in the ladies department, I carry this wonderful line of comfortable footwear. There are a couple of options here behind me on the racks, but you have to come and check them out yourself. I'm not going to show you pictures of all of them. But this is a fabulous shoe. It's super light. I can repair it. It can have new soles, new heels put on. It is genuine leather, and this is out of Italy. It's super gorgeous. And then we also have my own custom line called Hot Biscuit. This is what I make. I make them completely custom for any foot. And they're super fun. Like this one goes fantastic with my dress if I wasn't wearing these other really cute ones that I sell here. In my own custom line, I also do like this beautiful belt, all one piece of leather. It will never crack or peel. And items like this or handbags you can find on my Etsy account on my website, TeriEdmonds.com. Feel free to shop and support us. Also for some ladies, we do carry the Oofos brand. They're hot sellers for any of you that already own them and love them. I offer them here, as well as some really cool boots. You'd be surprised in Hawaii, but for those that live here, maybe up country, in the jungle area, haiku, it's wet, and so I carry a selection of cute rain boots. They're not the cheapest on the island. They are the Lacrosse brand, but if you're looking for quality, this is the shop. I also carry, of course, a ton of men's boots from hiking, hunting, work, and whatever. Some with steel toe, without steel toe. Many of the options that you see come with or without. It's always wonderful to have a customer service expert like myself that can help guide you through that brand. You can come in and try for sizing. And then we also support the Danner brand with we carry their socks and their shoelaces. Some people just want Danner. They are the equivalent to a Red Wing, and so great. Both brands are wonderful and worth the investment. I'm also, because I am a shoe repair, I also carry a huge assortment of the finest shoe repair supplies for your own do-it-yourself projects. Cleaning, shoelaces, polishes. I carry the best out there. My mentor taught me, don't scrimp when it comes to your supplies, whether I'm using them to repair your shoes or selling you a product to take care of your good products, your good shoes. So there you have it. We're at 250 Alamaha in Kahului. We have wonderful parking. We are close to Costco, Whole Foods, and Ross. So if you've got your list of to-do things, you can pencil us right in there and find us quite easily. And thank you so much for supporting our business. We also have a YouTube channel under Teri Edmonds, and I'll see the link right here. You can connect to that and subscribe if you'd like more helpful videos on tutorials of how to do it yourself or product and shoe reviews. Coming from Maui, Hawaii, thank you so much, and aloha.